Welcome back to part 2. Let's find the solutions. Well, we have the area rule. Area is side times sin of the angle in between divided by 2. So, area is 7 times 9 times sin 37 degrees divided by 2. And I got that to be 18.1. I have no units, so no units for my area. Or if you like, length units squared. Here, well, I need to start by finding this angle. First, I should use the angle in between. So 180 minus 25 minus 140, so 15 degrees. So the area is 25 times 38 times sin of 15 degrees divided by 2. And I got that to be 123. It's getting messy. So, we're going to find the area. Area is side 8 times another side 12 times sin 135 degrees divided by 2. Just because the angle is bigger than 90 degrees doesn't mean that this formula doesn't work. It just means we have to talk about, or to really understand this, we would have to talk about what we mean by sin of an angle more than 180 degrees. We haven't done that and we're not going to, so you just have to trust me. And if you use the calculator and get this, I got 33.9. If you don't get the same answers as I do, it's very likely you're not using degree as your unit for angles, and you have to, in your calculator, and you have to fix that. If you don't know how, contact me. We know the area, we're going to find the side. Well, we're going to use the area rule. The area is 64.2. And then we have side times sin of the angle in between divided by 2. And then we solve this equation. 2 times 64.2 divided by 12 times sin 38 degrees equals to x. Don't forget the bracket when you punch that. And I got 17.4. So that's the length of that. It looks reasonable. Okay, 2. Questions you should recognize. I mean, this is what we started with today. But let's look at how we would do it. First one. Area 12 equals to side times sin of the angle in between divided by 2. So, if I rearrange this, I get 2 times 12 divided with 8 times 6 equals to sin x. So sin x equals to half. I get exactly the same when I do that one. Right? To find the angle, when you know the value of sin, on the calculator you write sin to the power of minus 1. You use the inverse function, the arc sin of a half, or 0.5. And then the calculator is going to say 30 degrees. Because this one here is 30 degrees. The problem is that this equation has more than one solution. One of them is 30 degrees. That's the one the calculator told you. The other one is 180 minus that, so 150 degrees. You can test this because if you punch sin of 150, you get 0.5. So that angle solves this equation. But the calculator didn't tell you. You had to remember that there's another solution than the one the calculator gives you. We're probably not going to give you problems where we use this. I just want to make you aware that there's actually two solutions to the problems where you know two sides and the angle in between, and you know the area. One that is the acute angle, the other one that is the obtuse one. This is two different solutions. I'm going to discuss with Sarah whether we're actually going to force you to know this for the finals or not, but I want you to be aware whether we make you do that or not. Questions? If you have, contact me on Skype.